Day. The sunshine will help out, but we're still only talking about upper 40s, around 50 by Thanksgiving Day, but it should be dry, should be mostly sunny. Enjoy it while you can. You got family in town. Look out this weekend. I am tracking an increasing chance for it. At least it's not snow. We got a good chance for rain on Saturday.
And we can get those Christmas decorations up too. All right, Tom, thank you. One coat maker says shoppers can try on their products in a freezing cold room. And Disney deepens its footprint in mobile gaming. Jane King has these stories and so much more. It's today's Business Report.
Disney entered a multi-year games development partnership with the leading mobile game company, Jam City. Jam City will be taking over the mobile game studio in charge of Disney's Emoji Blitz, a hugely popular game that Disney released in 2016. Now, the deal also means that Jam City holds the rights to develop new games based on Disney's Pixar and Walt Disney Animation Studio brands, and the first game expected to be based on Frozen. Well, an Instagram bug has left some passwords exposed when using the new feature called Download Your Data. Some Instagram users' passwords were displayed in the URL. The tool has since been updated, so the problem should no longer occur, and Instagram is deleting any logged passwords. Well, Nissan's chairman Carlos Ghosn has been arrested for alleged financial misconduct. An internal probe found that he underreported his salary and other financial violations, including the personal use of company assets. Nissan said in a statement that Ghosn would be dismissed after an internal probe based on a whistleblower report found he had falsified reports over many years. Ghosn has not yet released a public comment. And Canada Goose, the coat maker, is turning the dressing room into a freezer. The room is a brisk minus 13 degrees. Now let shoppers size up just how warm their coats can be. Their parkas are pricey though, about $1,000 each. From the NASDAQ market site, I'm Jane King with your business update.
Jane, thanks so very much. Let's take a look and see how stocks are performing at this noon hour. Wow, Dow Jones Industrial it's tumbling hard. Down 421 points to sit right now at 24,991. NASDAQ Composite also tumbling, down 190 points to 7,058. Prepare for a week of chaotic holiday travel this Thanksgiving. More than 54 million Americans are expected to travel 50 miles or more this Thanksgiving. That's the highest number since 2005, according to AAA. Cars, the most popular method of travel for Thanksgiving, with 48 million people driving. Travel times in the most congested cities in the U.S. could be as much as 4 times longer than a normal trip. AAA predicts drivers will experience the greatest amount of congestion Thanksgiving week during the early evening commute period, with travel time starting to increase on Monday. David's Bridal announced it will file for Chapter 11 bankruptcy protection, but plans to stay in business. The deal will allow the company to reduce its $760 million debt load by more than half. But brides-to-be don't need to worry. All 300 stores will remain open throughout the bankruptcy period, and all dress orders and alterations will be completed. Months after it agreed to hold off raising prices following heavy pressure from President Trump, Pfizer now reports it will increase the prices of 41 drugs in January. The pharmaceutical giant is reporting one drug will go up by 9%, 3 others will increase 3%, and the others will see a 5% hike. The affected medicine represents 10% of Pfizer's drug portfolio, and the company is reporting the price hikes will be offset by higher rebates and discounts offered by pharmacies and insurance companies. Chris?
Some firefighters in England